Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is this fridge, brand wise Panasonic brand. This fridge not making cool at all. Because of that I'm going to repair this one. I have to check first of all what is the problem exactly, and we will go to the next step, and we will start the check-in process now. You can see here, dear friends, this fridge, it is lights, LEDs are working. I'm not hearing here freezer fan not working, because here totally dead. That means it's not working. Freezer fan, also compressor also not working. Because of that, first of all, what we have to do, we have to check back of the fridge, the compressor side, all load relay, PTC relay, and also power control box. Now we have to check that one. After that we can identify. To remove this water drawer back of the fridge. While touching by hand, the compressor not working. Because of that we have to remove the terminal cup. Here, this is the terminal cup. We have to remove the terminal cup. After that, we can check overload, PTC relay, and terminal, compressor terminal. And first of all, we have to shut down the machine. We have to release the power connection here, and we will remove here. Now we can take terminal cup here. Like that we can remove. After that we can remove overload, PTC relay here. This one we can check overload protector. Now we can check overload here. The overload protector is okay. This PTC relay, it's coming with the starting capacitor here. Also now we can check compressor terminal. This one you can see here, it is already indicated here, starting, running, and common. Now I'm going to check here running and common, winding is showing, also starting and common wire, common terminal also okay, both together also okay. Compressor is showing, windings are okay. Now we will remove the power control box from the fridge. Now we can take it out like that. Also we can remove the cover here. Harness assemble we can remove, and we will remove all the connectors from the control board, and we will check properly. Yes my dear, I already removed. It is look like it is no any shortage, but we will remove this screw also here. After that we can take the control board. Now I'm actually suspecting this capacitors, both capacitors, because the compressor really not catching. Anyway, we will check. Check the problem actually. This one. You can see, dear friends, here this capacitor also some abnormal. It's not the normal position. Because of that, I'm suspecting capacitor, both capacitor and this coil. While we are checking this coil, you can see here it's burn like a burning mark also here, because it's getting warm actually at that time. It should be like that, but anyway, coil and capacitor we will replace. I'm going to replace. After that we will check, because the compressor relay and fan relays together is not opening, catching. Because of that, compressor not running. Anyway, we will replace the both capacitor and coil. After that we will check. Now I'm going to remove the both capacitor. After that we can identify actually after replacing capacitor, it is maybe capacitor problem only. Now it's now we can remove, actually now almost finished. Now we can take it out. Now you can see here, dear friends, this is the capacitor, the same microfarad. We have to replace the capacitor same, the both capacitors. You can see, dear friends, this capacitor, it is 500 volts 18 microfarad. I will show you again properly. You can see here 500 watts 18 microfarad. Both capacitors are same specifications. 500 watts 10 microfarad. Now we will replace new both capacitor. Now I already replaced both capacitors. Also you can see some dry soldering also here and there. Now I have to do that dry soldering also, like that. Now, dear friends, I already replaced two new capacitor. Also I didn't change the coil, is okay. Now I will give the connections again to the power control box. Before actually problem, this relay contact are not catching. Because of that, compressor not working. Now we will check after giving power. Now it should work actually. While we are giving direct current, relay already catching. Now we can check again. Now it should be okay. Definitely it should work. The problem with the two capacitors, it's not making proper current. That is the reason. Now it's okay. Now we will check. Now I will give the power connection here. Temporary I am keeping power control box here outside. Now I will give the power connection again. Now compressor already got start. My job already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.